Yeah, no wonder you're meowing. Somehow, from the garage, with the doors open, Mr. Beautiful Bird just found his way into the house. So we've got the dogs sequestered, all the doors to other rooms closed. The pocket doors open in the hopes that he can find his way out. Jack, you're not Bird. Jack, this is like serious bird reality TV. I'm sorry, buddy. I don't know how this happened. You'll get out safe. Don't worry. The cat won't get you. And neither will Maddie, who knows that something funky's going on. Right, see the doors? Go for the doors. Head for the doors. That wasn't the door. Oh, this is a dream come true, isn't it? You can't jump that high. All right, well, he doesn't seem to be scared. He seems to be rather having fun. I know you're having fun. Well, at least he can find spots to sit down. That was actually my first clue. Birdie was in the house, was Allie was doing some very interesting chattering. Oh, good. He's managed to get into the laundry room. Is he out? Okay, let's go check. Okay. Whew, that was exciting. Whew, never a dull moment.